This video shows how kindergarten parents can teach their kids third trimester word families. The 5 word families consist of ought as in hot, og as in frog, op as in hop, ug as in bug, and ut as in hut. Flipbooks are a fun way for kids to learn and practice words that follow a pattern, such as our word family patterns, ought, og, op, ug, and ut. Do-it-yourself flipbooks are easy to make and fun to read. This is an example of putting the ought word family flipbook together. I will leave a link to the templates for making all 5 of the word family flipbooks in the comment section below. This example features the og family. Using magnetic letters, letter tiles, or written letters on index cards, have kids make og words. In this example, magnetic letters were used and also letter tiles to form the words frog, log, dog, hog, and fog. Then I wrote each word and had the kids trace over the words with a highlighter. This is a template for kids to build word families. This example demonstrates the op family: hop, top, mop, shop, and stop. This template is also available in the link that I am going to leave in the comment section below. This example features the ug family. In this activity, write sentences using words on the ug list. Have kids highlight all the ug words. It is fine to read the sentences to the kids. They have to listen and then highlight the words that belong to the word family. This activity is called 4 in a row and takes 2 people to play. The words chosen for this activity were hut and cut from the ut family. The first person who gets 4 in a row, either across, diagonal, or down, wins the game. In case you wanted to review the first and second trimester word families with your kids, I included those here at the end of our video with making words with clay activity. In this example, we see cat, bat, and hat. And please remember, I will provide a link for all the templates used in this video. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.